Cadillac square body C10 drive-by-wire. I don't know what year this is. 84, 85, I don't know, somewhere. Anyway, take the factory bracket off, which is there with that pedal. Take the drive-by-wire, drill one extra hole, mount it up, use this and this, bolt it back into the factory location. Put this back as far as it can. This is out of a Cadillac CTSV, 05, 06, 07, somewhere up in there. And it will fit. Discard that, discard that. Just use that, and those. Yay. Factory mounting holes. And one ratchet wrench later, everything is mounted. Now I just gotta plug it in. And if you're doing Terminator X, now all you have to do is take that pink wire and run it to the brake light switch up under there somewhere, which is what I'm gonna do next. But that's how I mount the C10s. Did I show you moving? It has all the through. They don't seem like they move a lot when they're in your hand. When you put it down on your foot, yeah, you got all the action. Hey, thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Got any questions, leave a comment. We'll get to it as soon as we can. So this fuel pedal came out of a 06, 07 CTS. You can find many of them in the pull-up places. This truck is an 85, but it should work for like 83, 84, 85, 86. Anyway, thanks for watching. Got any questions? We'll get to it as soon as we can. Thanks. Have a great one.